myself Romi Randhava and I am working as a teacher at Sahib Jada Joravar Singh Fateh Singh Senior Secondary Public School. Students, today we are going to learn about opposite words. About opposite words. What is opposite words? What is opposite words? In a position on the other side of the somebody and something. You can see my hands. This is the back side of my hands and this is the front side of my hands. Back, front. Back, front. We can explain about opposite words in two ways. First one is with object and second one is with action. First one is with objects and second one is with action. First of all, we will learn with objects. You can see here, I have some objects on the table. You can see I have a glass and one chalk. So this chalk is inside the glass and now outside of the glass. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Next is big and small. Big, small. Big, small. Next is thick and thin. This marker is thick and this marker is thin. Thick, thin. Thick, thin. Next is long and short. Long and short. Long, short. Long, short. Next is open, close. Open, close. Next one is one, many. I have one candle and many candles. One, many. One, many. The second way is with action. Off, on. Off, on. Next is happy, sad. Happy, sad. Come, go. Come, go. Come, go. Up, down. Up, down. Right, left. Right, left. Next is good, bad. Good, bad. Sleep, wake up. Sleep, wake up. I hope students you understood about the opposite word. Before I told you, we can explain about opposite words in two ways. First one is with object